Alright. We are in the boiler room, guys. We are doing some kind of maintenance here. I'm going to show you. Somebody came to block some holes in this absolutely war zone of a room. It's completely derelict. So we have the pipes up there. We're going to block them because this is with some rats or baby mouse going around the building. So we are going to block around the pipes, the gaps. So yes, this is a room that is completely derelict. It looks horrible. And this is all the light is blinding me, and it is still very early to be blinded. But you can see around here our boiler room that it does not look the most glamorous place. But this is our boiler room. It looks in a little bit of a disastrous look. That's how it is, guys. Other than that, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. It's Friday and it's sunny. Let me show you. It smells. There is a lot of dust here. Dusty Springfield. Beautiful day. Blue skies and it's Friday. Oh yeah.